We're out there to ride the waves because we love it. Really that's first and foremost. We're out there surfing for the passion, the love, and challenging ourselves. That's, again, why this event's so amazing at the end. It gets everybody together, who really appreciate, what we're out there doing, that share that common bond, the big waves that we ride. And
in second place, from Australia, Ryan Hipwood.
Oh yeah, I'm stoked. Like if a year ago, if you asked me if I was going to be invited to the XXL Awards, I'd probably say that you're tripping. But
awards.
It means a lot. Like Australia's got some of the biggest waves in the world, and I think everyone's just starting to realise that, and we're taking advantage of it every second we can get.
Well, I think if you look at my eyes right now, you'll see I'm pretty pretty pumped. But yeah, it's obviously an amazing feeling, to do it not just for myself, but for my friends and family back home, South Africa. That's what it's all about. Just making the people at home proud.
For sure, as I said, all the best big wave surfers, they voted on it, and all the photographers and everyone, that I respect so much. So to be here tonight, winning again, means a lot to me, for sure. I think, the fact that I train with the boys, with Carlos and Heraldo, and Carlos is my tow partner, we have skis together. I think that will always make me push my limits as high as I can. He's one of the best in the world and in the male side, so I can work for as many years as I want, and I'll still be trying to catch him. Eu tô muito feliz, é uma honra estar aqui mais um ano, novamente, levando isso pro Brasil, e eu tô muito feliz.
La verdad es que es un gran privilegio para mí, ¿no? O sea, digamos que lo repetí hace 2 años, estoy repitiendo de nuevo una vez más con 2 nominaciones esta vez, pero sigue siendo un privilegio que para mí, vamos, me queda grande personalmente. Desde pequeño siempre he contemplado los vídeos de olas grandes de todos estos grandes personajes del surfing, entonces es un privilegio, vamos, descomunal para mí, pues el poder estar compartiendo este evento, compartir mesa y cervezas con ellos y conversaciones y vivencias, pues para mí no tiene precio alguno, ¿no?
Ouais, je suis très content d'être ici. Ça me fait très plaisir, surtout pour mon sponsor Billabong organise cet événement et ça me fait plaisir de le représenter et d'être là au milieu de tous ces gens qui prennent des grosses vagues et tout. C'est cool quoi, je suis content d'être là. C'est une belle soirée.
That's what we need. Thanks.